Yo, you said you got a party tonight? Man, I don't know. You said it's gonna be food there? I don't know. I'll have to let you know, man. We'll see. We'll see. You said they're gonna have a pool there? I mean, I don't know. Let me check my schedule. You said Alicia's gonna be there? The doctor Alicia with the blue hair? And she was asking about me? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let me see what I got planned for today. Yeah, so I don't know, bro. I'll have to let you know. Oh, you said it's free. Send me the address.